Hello, my name is Vincent Carey, and I'm a dentist that practices oral and maxillofacial surgery at the Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery Center here in Warner Robins, Georgia. I would like to take a few moments of your time to give you some tips on dental oral health preventive measures. First, I'm sure everybody is familiar with this. This is a toothbrush, but it's a very important item in the morning and at night before you go to bed. The purpose of the toothbrush, obviously, is to brush your teeth. Now, there is a way of brushing your teeth. One way, you do not want to brush your teeth up and down in a very rapid motion. The reason why is because if you brush it up and down in a rapid motion, there's a chance you can damage your gum tissue. The purpose of the toothbrush and the manner in which you should use to brush is in an angle, in a circular fashion. And what you want to do is try to angle the bristles so they can also flow between the teeth and flow over the gums and not providing any injuries to the gum tissue or causing any bleeding. The second most important thing that you can use to help prevent dental decay is the dental floss. The purpose of the floss, one, you have to find it, remove it, make sure the length is adequate enough to wrap around both fingers, and what you do with it is that you use it to thread between your teeth. And once you place it between the teeth, pretend as if you're hugging the tooth and bring it out. What it does, it removes any food particles that get trapped between the teeth because teeth decay between the teeth. Now, again, two important factors: toothbrush, dental floss, major tips for dental preventive management. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to give us a call at the Oral Maxillofacial Surgery Center. Thank you.